Hey guys, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm kind of new to YouTube, or at least my anime channel. Hold on a second. I have another YouTube, but it really stinks, and I decided to do an anime channel YouTube since, I like anime, and I don't know. If you don't, then just why? Why? By the way, this dude here, yeah, this is another one of my avatars. I do not know his name yet. Let's just give him a name. I'm not sure. I know. Why don't we name this dude? We should call this dude Nathaniel, because, why not? I'm not sure. I think Nathaniel will work. So this character here, hi, I'm just going to be called, I don't know, damn it. How about... Okay, crap. I honestly... Please help me here. I really don't know what to... Oh, Lord Jesus Christ. I really don't know what I'm going to do with myself anymore. Either way, I'm just gonna call this one Marissa, tongue twister. Mostly because my name is actually Marissa. And, well, kapow, but I hate my name. So... Just call me Winter, because that's my camp name anyway, so why not? Yeah, okay. I'm Winter. This is Nathaniel. That is this just the story. I don't really know what to do anymore. Okay. I usually don't have anything, but I don't really know what to say other than welcome to my channel, and it's my first actual thing hearing my voice, because I really hate my voice. Wait, let me get out the tea. Wait, let me actually get out tea. Where did I put my cup? Okay. Where are you, stupid cup? Okay, so I'm going to get out my tea. Open! Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that is actually really hot. Oof. Okay, so now that I've drinking tea, my hands are free, and I really don't know what else to say other than welcome, as I've said at least 3 times, and I really don't know, and I'm just really getting confused. I don't really know what's going on. Send help. What is with these eyebrows? I'm still testing this out. I don't know. Either way, I don't like people in general, but when you subscribe, I guess I can like you. I don't know. Haha, I'm just kidding, of course. If you don't like me, that's cool too. I'm socially awkward. I kind of need help. And I really love anime. But then again, if I didn't, why would my avatar be an anime character? So now, this avatar's personality is just like mine. Weird, socially awkward, a music lover, because, well, I just really, really like music. Let me see if mostly because music is my freaking life, and I don't really know what I would do without it. So now I will move back on to Nathaniel. I don't know why I called it that. I really don't know why anymore. So this is Nathaniel, much like my actual friend Nathaniel, except I really had to change his hair color, mostly because, well, you know, my friend Nathaniel, if you're watching this, I'm really sorry for stuttering this, but if you had helped me like you promised, it'd make my life so much easier, but you didn't help me, so I'm kind of mad at you now. So I'm just gonna change his hair color to look like my friend Nathaniel's hair. Let me think which one looks... Yeah, let's just go with this one. Now let me do his hair bottoms, because I don't know about you, but I just really am tired. And I really just don't understand why I'm doing this to myself. And just like I said, socially awkward as usual. The kids at my school hate me, and it's okay because I hate them back. I just never really liked them. So I don't really know what to say. other than, happy Sunday. Oh, I gotta change the eye color. Okay, Nathaniel, I forgot what eyes you have. Not that I really noticed, but stop shipping me with this dude. So these are just my 2 characters. I might make a 3rd one if you guys ask. I really need to find a recorder that has free, audio crap instead of me having to pay for it, because I really don't want to pay. And I mean computer audio, not like the audio you're hearing now. And yes, I am not very nice to people who I don't like because they're mean to me. You know, it's just really a thing. Oh, and by the way, I really like books, so you'll probably find me reading a lot of my anime ships and stuff. So, yeah. Oh, and by the way, Nathaniel likes to wear these weird gloves. Let me see if I can find the shade. That's the shade. He usually has this scarf on. It's the closest color I could get. I don't know where it's from, but, Nathaniel, if you're watching this, please comment where you got it from, because I really don't know. Okay. So, that's all for today. I really hope you like this, mostly because I never really add my voice to this, because, well, I just really hate my voice. So, please hit that subscribe button, because I need help with life, and I don't know how subscribing would help, but it just helps my self-confidence. So, yeah. Oh, and maybe I'll include some stuff on my cat. Yeah, I have a cat. She's a furry. And I usually record in my room, but sometimes I'll change the background, and I might go to, like, I don't know, outside. I don't know if you could see over here. Or maybe, like, school. Why would I even record in the bathroom? Or, like, wherever. Wherever I am, I may or may not record. So, it's very rare that you'll see my actual face, because I hate showing my face to people. My face is ugly. My face is weird. And I hate it. So, love you. Subscribe. And don't forget to smile. Okay? Bye, guys. Bye.